we are doing the insertion of the sending unit for the gas gauge. Is what it looks like. Now, need to position. Hello. See, we have Mr. Fingers there. Now, this needs to be positioned this way for it to work because it lays up on this side of the tank. So now we get our little wires going there, and this fella goes in. You have to maintain this orientation with wire pieces going upward while it feeds in.
And there we go.
Gently, and not to bend because it's not exactly a robust piece of equipment.
Gotcha.
And
oh, wait, you're caught on here. Yep. Back it out just to here. Okay.
Good. There we go.
Yep.
Now it's going in.
And wait.
Oop. All right, we're going to pause for a second and get the rest of the way in there, and then we'll show you the finished product. Okay, there you go.
All right, now we have the sending unit in, and you can see the little wire that comes across. You can see the unit down there in the bottom of the tank. Through a little trial and error, we deduced that the float ball needs to go all the way over and cross on the other side of those two hard lines coming up and run along the wall of the tank to eventually come to rest right there along the wall of the tank down inside that little valley. So it took us a couple times to figure that out, but now that we've got it, she's in and tight, and we're ready to hook the connections here to the fuel pump. And then we're done.
Hoorah! Awesome. And we will... Now the intrepid Chris has attached the final connections here, which are the wires heading for power to power that pump, which was astounding to me because the idea of having naked wire attachments in a bath of gasoline and fumes just is difficult for me to get my head around. But apparently if you have solid connections and no sparks, there's no harm done. So there you have it. So that's that connection. Next thing we do is we're going to put the gas cap assembly back on here, and then we'll be hooking this back up to the motorcycle. And we're going to go for gas and beer, and then we'll come back and see if she starts.